You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Sanchez, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All right, guys, buckle in because this one gets messy. We've got a father who says he's holding everything together, 2 kids in the middle, one with autism, and a mom who seems checked out. Child support, neglect, even drugs are about to hit the courtroom. Trust me, this judge does not hold back.
Okay, Your Honor. I'm want to sue her for child support because, my kids are always with me, and she's always at work. She's always working for the hospital. We said back then that we could do this together as one. I wouldn't so much as far as swapping complete schedules. I started doing overnight shift now, just so I can be there for my kids and everything. And
notice what Dad says right away. He rearranged his entire work schedule just to care for his kids. That's sacrifice. Compare that to the mother's choice of picking up extra shifts and vanishing from home. Who sounds like the real primary parent here?
Especially that one has autism. I've always got to take her to the doctor and whatnot. And for these past 3 weeks, I have not seen or heard from her, even as so much as trying to help out with the kids or anything like that. So I can't get it. I'm surprised she's even here at court today.
When Dad drops the detail about one child having autism, that changes everything. Courts take the needs of children with special conditions very seriously. Extra medical visits, more attention. It's not just parenting, it's constant advocacy.
Wanting to come home really, and honestly, I've caught her having some painkillers that I would only assume she's taken from the hospital she works at. She's either on painkillers or sometimes I'll find needles around and whatnot. So I know she works at a hospital, so she's got to get the drugs from there.
Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know?
I just hate that it's really around the kids. The kids find it before I do most of the time.
Did you catch that? Dad claims he's found needles and painkillers from the hospital. If true, that's not just neglect, it's potential criminal activity. And the worst part? He says the kids find them before he does. Imagine the danger in that household.
I just have to work all the time. I mean, it's not my fault that, saving lives isn't important to him.
No, I believe it is important to him. I don't think that's what he's saying. He's saying that you're not contributing anything.
I mean, I am, though. Like, I feed them or sometimes, and
You feed them? You'd agree with me that that's your responsibility, right?
She brings them fast food and leaves again.
Okay, but it's food, though.
Mom fires back saying she works to save lives and shouldn't be criticized. But here's the problem. Saving lives at the hospital doesn't excuse neglecting your own children at home. That's the hypocrisy the judge starts to spotlight.
Spend quality time with your kids. You say, here's food, and leave.
I mean, the tablet works just fine. They can just eat and watch the tablet. Like, why is that a problem?
Because
So you want to raise a child off of a tablet? You think that's
They
okay?
have educational stuff. I don't see what's wrong with it. Like,
Interesting.
me personally, myself, I sit there with my kids and I open a book with them and I help them with their homework. I feed them. I'm not much of a good cook, but I do what I can to put food on the table and spend time with them. It doesn't matter if I lose sleep over it. I mean, that's why I went to overnight, because I want to spend time with my kids.
Listen closely. Mom argues that dropping off fast food counts as parenting while leaving the kids glued to a tablet. The judge isn't buying it. Parenting isn't just about feeding. It's about presence, engagement, and love. Do you agree?
I went to
Changed
overnight.
his shift.
as he should. He's a dad.
As you should. You're a mom. The audacity.
I mean, but I have a more important job.
I mean, how many times are you going to say that? I mean, you have the audacity to say that he's a dad and he should, but you're the mom and not doing these things. He changed his shift. Why can't you?
Because it's inconvenient to me.
I've actually heard a couple times to where she says, I gave birth to him. It's your job to take care of him.
You believe that?
Yes.
Interesting. Wow. No, that's not how this works. That's not how any of this works.
The father details losing sleep just to read books and help with homework. The judge calls it out. He changed his shift because that's what a parent should do. Then comes the zinger. You're a mom, the audacity. That's courtroom fire.
kids. I mean, obviously I can't court order you or force you to spend time with them, but you should want to spend time with the kids. And I mean, considering that one of them has autism, you should want to spend more time with your kids.
I mean, I get it, but it's too much work having a kid with autism. That's why I just leave it to him, because he's better suited for that.
Right.
Here's the turning point. Mom admits caring for a child with autism is too much work. The judge reacts instantly, disbelief and frustration. Courts do not tolerate parents trying to walk away from their responsibilities like that.
All right.
She's actually asked for money instead of giving.
And then you have the nerve to ask for money and the kids are with him?
I mean, he has an obligation.
You know what? I'm not about to play with you. You came here to waste my time because you have the same obligation to your kids. He should not be paying you anything if the kids are with him majority of the time. If they're living with him, if he is the primary parent, he is tasked with the daily duties of caring for these kids. He shouldn't pay you anything, ma'am. And it is ridiculous that you believe that he should.
This is brutal. Mom admits she hasn't given Dad a dime and instead asks him for money. Think about that. The kids live with Dad full-time, but she wants child support from him. The judge isn't having it. She calls it ridiculous.
All right. Health insurance.
That's about I just have the individual. He has a family one under his plan. So I just pay $80 every 2 weeks.
Okay, health insurance. Is it private health insurance? Is the children under Medicaid? What are we doing?
It's Medicaid.
Medicaid?
Yes.
Okay. So you're going to have to pay that back to Medicaid, just FYI, unless you want to put them on private health insurance, which I don't see why you would have a problem with it. You're a nurse. You have access to private health insurance, right?
Yes.
So why did you just get an individual plan when you have a family? That was a question.
Because it's his job to take care of them, and I shouldn't have to spend
You know what?
money.
Don't say that again about what his responsibilities are and what his job is, because you're a mom.
Now the money breakdown begins. $60,000 a year, nurse's salary, but Mom tries to dodge responsibility by saying it's his job to take care of them. The judge shuts that down, reminding her that being a mother is not optional.
So,
But you kept them.
No, we've talked about having kids and we've wanted kids.
I know, but
once
like
she
when
got
we were
pregnant,
older,
once she got
not right
pregnant and
now.
she knew she couldn't do what she needed anymore, or really what she wanted anymore, then it was just, oh, this baby's really an inconvenience to our lives.
I mean, but you know
This
what, I
child
like to
support
party.
payment is about to be an inconvenience to you as well, because you're going to pay child support. Whether you wanted them or not is beside the point. You had them, they are here, they are your responsibility just as much as they are his responsibility. So $60,000 a year. I have your gross set at $5,000. Your net is $4,101.87. Medicaid reimbursement based on 9% of your gross is $450. Do you think you can get health insurance through your employer?
Yes, I don't know.
You don't want to look into it?
Not really.
we work for the same company. Yes, she does.
Oh, okay. So this is what we'll do. You just go ahead and pay that, and you can roll your eyes all you want to. I can roll my eyes too. We're just going to have you reimburse Medicaid that full $450. So that brings your monthly child support obligation for 2 children to $1,025 plus the $450 reimbursement to Medicaid for $1,470.
And here it is, the official ruling. The judge orders her to pay $1,475 a month in child support, plus back pay. That's a massive blow, especially after she admitted she never even wanted the kids. Actions and words have consequences.
You have any questions about anything I just said?
I mean, I just feel like it should be less. What am I going to be left with to party with? Like, what am I going to do?
I don't know, maybe pick up some extra shifts or work a part-time job.
Or take care of your kids.
You know, if she doesn't want to take care of her kids, I really don't care if there's some financial assistance.
I mean, but he makes enough money.
And I mean, you make enough money too. So again, do you have any questions about anything I just said?
No.
Okay. You have any questions, sir?
No.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
So, after all the excuses, the judge makes it crystal clear. Parenting isn't optional, and neglect comes with a price tag. Dad walks out validated. Mom walks out with a $1,500 monthly bill. What do you think? Justice served or too harsh? If this case stunned you too, drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama.